pull that knee forward and take it out and hug.
Hi! Oh my god. Every time I make a video, I'm just like, it's been a minute. It really has been more than minutes. Oh my goodness. I just checked my YouTube and I just realized I haven't made a video for 3 months. Oh my god, how crazy is that? Hello, my name is Jenny and I'm glad you're watching this because this is P.volve experience and updates of my life on workouts. So to be very honest, I really hate doing the same workouts every time, like, or even similar style or method of workouts. So it took me a little bit of time where I stepped out of the P.volve regimens, workouts, recipes, whatever, because you guys, I was working for a fitness company and I had access to so many things. So I was working for Equinox and I had access to really amazing group fitness classes. I had access to really amazing trainers who I'm now friends with. So I couldn't stick to doing one thing. I really love P.volve workout, but there are times where I feel like just mentally I need something harder. High intensity workouts just keeps you breathless. And those are the workouts I was like missing out and I miss so much. So I kind of wanted to dabble back into that. So updates. Weight wise and things like that, I don't really weigh myself, so I don't know. But I definitely feel better. And I feel like I have a lot more like leaner muscles versus I used to be a little more like bulkier. And I feel like, yeah, lines are coming through. But with that said, when that video was filmed, I was eating very unhealthy every day, like just loading up on carbs. It was not that healthy. Right now, I'm more in eating balance. I was trying out plant-based for a while, I tried intermittent for a while, and then now I'm trying to balance more and I eat less meat but still eat meat and meat byproducts. Just that I started to get dizzy or like feel like I was gonna faint when I didn't have meat, so I decided to incorporate meat back in my life, and I'm just trying to have more proportioned, well-balanced meals. And I think that's also partially, actually major part of looking good and feeling good. During quarantine is like when I realized P.volve is intense enough for me to do it at home without jumping around. I have a tiny Manhattan studio where neighbors could hear me if I'm too loud or if I'm jumping. So I had to stay self-quarantined in a tiny studio where I could do everything, including other work, and still work out. And I just needed a minimal space workout, so for that, P.volve is great. Also touches up on a lot of different muscle groups, great. Personally, I don't think it's enough for my core workout because how everyone measures things differently, right? And everyone wants different goals, but I take pride in having definitions on my ab area, and I felt like maybe lack of high intensity workouts or maybe lack of weights, but honestly, it wasn't enough for my core because I'm used to having more definitions, and I feel like through the time I was just doing P.volve, it didn't show the definitions I wanted. But with that said, if that's not your goal, if your goal is to just look more slimmer but toned, P.volve is like the best workout for you. Okay, so injuries. Gosh, it was bad. January, I thought I was a badass. And I was doing boxing workout and I decided to straight kick a heavy bag, which I did not really think about how it would just come back at my foot, and I hyperextended my knee. I had a bad knee injury a bit of time starting January 2020. I couldn't really work out. All I could do was upper workouts, or I can't run on a treadmill, I can't even do bikes, I couldn't do elliptical. I did physical therapy like twice a week at least for 8 weeks. And even after, I was still not fully recovered. I feel like I'm still recovering. I'm not at my A game as I used to be. So I think that's when I got back into P.volve after leaving P.volve for like 3-4 months, and then really found joy in working out with P.volve again, because also I feel like it was like a mini physical therapy. A lot of resistant band work, or little weights, or even the balancing stool, was it? It's very much what I did at physical therapy. So I felt like it was like really like good physical therapy / workout. So I love it. Through this quarantine, I will be doing more indoor workouts. So I've also purchased more products. So in the beginning, I started with the light ankle band. I already had the light ankle weights, the dumbbells, and I purchased P.volve and P.band. So I had 5 products I think I majorly work with, but I ended up purchasing the heavy ankle band slant board, the heavy ankle weights, and the P3s. I feel like as the time goes by, it's a lot more just dumbbell workout. So definitely when you buy slant board, it changes the game to another level. Like, it's a lot harder because now you have to balance yourself. And I really love like working out with Celestine for the slant boards because she's so good. Like, she's very detailed, and I really like felt like she was like next to me working out. So that was a plus. And I also love Maeve for like cardio related workouts. She's fun. I don't think I would do a lot of core workouts through P.volve with it. I like the full body workouts. I think the butt workouts are really great. Thigh workouts are really great. Oh, the arm, like that back workout is really great. It definitely builds good muscles, and I feel like it's still intense, but it feels like a Pilates in a way. It's like a restorative kind of core workout. It's like, how I see it is like, it's like a portable Pilates, like portable reformer Pilates feel of the, I feel like it's like similar muscle groups and similar type of workout, like leaning, strengthening, but not much like crazy definitions. So I really like that part of the workout where when I build up muscles from other workouts, like it kind of leans me out, because who doesn't want to look leaner? But now I do maybe twice a week, like as like a conditioning workout. I would do like high intensity workouts, some sort of cardio day. So I have like a dedicated day for just hits and just cardio, or like it would be like core / cardio day, and then it'll be like a strengthening day. And not every strengthening day has to be heavy. So I end up using P.volve. I definitely think I see it on my legs, my arms, my back. I personally wouldn't do just this. I don't think it's that beneficial for my body and my level of experience or my goals. Like, it's a little different than where I'm at. And if you see other creators or other people that try this workout that talk about it, our body types are very different, and I think also our goals are very different. So it's a different story. I think it's really, really good conditioning workout for dancers. So if you're in dances where you have to look leaner rather than thicker, so I have like hip hop dance background, so I like having like more curvaceous and abs and showing off abs, that sort of thing, versus I feel like ballerina just are very lean in definition. So like that kind of body type is definitely achievable through P.volve workout. I personally wouldn't do it more than 2 days a week. But with that said, I don't know if I could live without it anymore either. It's like such good workout, and there are times, there are like weeks or there are months where I felt like I didn't want to do harsh workouts. Like if I felt like I needed to recover a lot more, but I didn't want to come back being so weak, not being in my game, then P.volve definitely helped. There's also a lot of cardio sections where you don't really need to jump. You don't really need to move around much to do the cardio. I thought it was genius to do like good cardio workout in your spot without jumping. That's like a golden recipe for Manhattan studios. So that was amazing. People constantly makes new videos, new series, and I love that this growing company constantly invests instead of like saying, hey, here are your workout videos, stream us live and pay monthly fee. It's not that. So thank you, like constantly keeping me challenged. And yeah, I really hope that you guys check it out. If you guys haven't watched my first review video, check it out. Shoes wise, originally started with ballet slippers in the house, but I noticed that a couple of times I almost fell. And it was like a little too slippery. The Nike Bar Studio shoes, that's been really good for me because it has like it's like a sticky socks pretty much. So it has that grip, and that grip is good for the on the mat, off the mat. Also, if I'm jumping on the mat with that, it doesn't make any noise. So it's neighborhood friendly. I think I'm gonna keep doing the workouts for a good amount of time, if not forever. New York summer isn't that long, and I want to take advantage of every single chance I get. So I enjoy working out outside, but I don't always want to like watch a video to work out. So sometimes I'm running, or sometimes I'm playing some sort of sports with friends. I honestly think I just like variety of workouts, and my body's so used to doing different types of workouts. I still recommend it. Definitely recommend it. I love how I look right now. I mean, we always want to improve and become the best versions of ourselves, but I actually really like how I look right now, and I'm very proud of it. So I will definitely keep up with the P.volve. I will probably keep doing different types of workouts too, and with that said, I will probably have different types of review videos coming up. I promise it won't take 3 months again. I've been just working out without filming because sometimes filming in a tiny space is challenging. But I promise I will show you my progress and other workouts that I'm doing. I'm gonna be honest, I really love your comments, your DMs, your shout outs, thumbs ups, It's so encouraging, and I'm so glad I made some impact or gave you a little positive encouragement to work out. Because at the end of the day, if you never work out, you will always be a beginner, and everyone is a beginner at one point. I have years of working out. I just want to get better and better and better, and it's partially, yes, aesthetics, but also I care about my inner body too. Like, I care about my health, and I don't want to get sick, and things that I want to do in life, I need to get healthier. So it's just like constant push for that reason. If you're a beginner to work out, I recommend P.volve so much. If you're scared to work out, if you're lazy, make 10-15 minutes, because there's a lot of good 10-15 minute workout. Also, they have really good like fundamental videos to review. I would say I typically spend about 30 minutes for my P.volve workouts. There are days where Celestine advanced ones are more like an hour, but I feel like it's worth it, and that's like when I do it when I feel like I have a little more time, or I invest time because my body needs it. But generally I do around 30 minutes. Yeah, I love it. I really hope that this helped you guys. I'm so glad that I have gotten some positive feedbacks about my last review video, and I'm gonna keep reviewing different types of workouts for you guys. And my goal is to review a lot of free subscription trials or like very cheap subscription trials, so you don't have to feel the burden of spending so much to get your life active. So with that said, thank you again. Thumbs up for this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more and more and more review videos. Bye!